number two, that is one thing that everyone in the world will encounter or are encountering or struggling with. Or on a daily basis. I'm sure you ask your parents, your grandparents, they have to struggle with it every day, every year. It's something sad happening na not big crisis, but it's a major crisis. She started by saying, every morning when she takes a bath, when she shampoos daw, her hair daw.
Ang descriptive.
Nahuhulog daw. Nahuhulog daw ang hair niya. 50 daw na bibilang niya. 50 na. Nag-worry tuloy ako for her. Alam mo, you could hear the pin drop in the entire place. Suddenly, everybody was
just listening.
Talagang you could literally hear a pin drop. The way she was narrating, the way ang galing niya magkwento. She was telling very personal stories that could relate to everyone.
Okay.
I think I could see why she is so popular and why the father is very popular. Number one, they come across as very authentic.
They speak the language.
They speak the language of every ordinary person.
Okay.
They don't parang speak over you.